Steph, you're late. I know I'm late. But I'm getting there. Welcome back, you guys. We are getting into our very late July unboxing for Ipsy, and we're just gonna see what's inside of it. I have been very pleasantly surprised actually with Ipsy and the products that I've been receiving the last couple months, so I am very excited to see what's inside this month's box. I do have the regular boxes as well as the premium ones, so we're gonna go ahead and get diving into it. You guys like my mug? We're getting ready. We're getting in there. It's almost here, you guys. If you guys haven't seen the last couple ones, let me update you really quickly. I have my own subscription that we're going to be unboxing, as well as a subscription service that from Ipsy, I should say, that they send me. So one is mine, one is one that Ipsy sends me. So I like to see the variation. I like to see if my bag is better than the one they send me. So we're gonna go ahead and get started off with mine though. Always go like this and open it, because there's been so many times that I've thrown away stuff because they have it in there, whether it's like a sheet mask or brushes. Typically they put brushes on the outside and those always get lost. Here is this month's baggies little theme. It says Stay Golden on it. So here's this month's theme. It says, stay golden. Everything you touch is turning to gold. Dust your favorite highlight, pat your shimmer shadow, and let the world see you shine. There better be some eyeshadow or some highlighter in here, because that's what they're telling me. Ooh, it says, are you ready for August? Introducing Glam Bag and Halsey. Upgrade to Glam Bag X. I need to know down below if you guys are subscribed to the Glam Bag X, because I think I might do it. So very first thing I have here is in this blue box. This is the Glow On Fifth Beauty Keep It Handy Avocado Hand Cream. I have hand creams. I don't use them as much as I should. I don't use them as much as I should. I usually just grab lotion and put them on my hands. But you know the times where like you're like, dang, I could really use a hand cream right now. This is where stuff like this comes in handy. My hands are all scraped up because we were at the pool this last week, and that liner of the pool was like very rough. And the first day I didn't go in the water with them, but my kids were like, oh, my feet hurt. And I was like looking at the bottom of my son's feet and they were all scraped up and like red and blistered. And I was like, oh, so I ended up putting Band-Aids. I went running around looking for, you know, shoes. And I was like, Jason, it's probably not that bad. You were just being a little rough when you were coming down the water slide. The next day, I went into the pool with them, and me and my husband both like got scraped up really bad, like all over our hands and our legs. And I was like, oh my gosh, like I feel so bad for like telling my son like, well, you're fine, go back in. And I'm like, oh, I'm in pain. But yeah, so don't mind my hands. I have a scab here, and earlier today while I was filming, I went like this and the scab's like coming apart. It hurts really bad. So I gotta put some Neosporin on him, but hand cream. Smells fine. It smells like lotion. Next thing I have here is by Mented. I do have a couple Mented products and they are great. This is the Pink About Me Lip Gloss. Ooh. Oh my gosh, look at that. It smells like bubble gum. Oh, it's just a really dainty, soft pink. The Mented line, their lipstick shades are stunning. I have yet to see one that I have disliked. Like, they are all gorgeous. Next thing I have here is by Studio Makeup. This is the Studio Makeup High Define Brow Tint. That's the shade. I feel like this might be a little too light for me, but who knows. The shade that I have is in dark. All right. It's a lot darker than I expected. Like, look at the box color here. You see that? I thought that was gonna be like a taupe, but I mean, I'm good with it. Next up I have is the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Pore Purifying Cleanser with salicylic acid, tea tree oil, and white willow bark. What? 3.5 fluid ounces. This is a good, decent size. I love Dr. Brandt. I love his products. They're so good. Last up I have is by Purlisse. I actually was just talking about Purlisse. I actually have the primer right here. This is the Purlisse Blush Glow BB Cheek Color. This has got vitamin E, hyaluronic acid. It's creamy, lightweight, buildable for youthful glow. Funny enough, in the tutorial that I just filmed, I feel like I can see a little bit of my eyelash glue there. In the tutorial I just filmed, I used a cream blush, and that cream blush has got me like, maybe I should try out some more cream blushes. I have the shade Vivid Coral. Oh, that is bright. Look at how bright that is. Let's see if you can see it. I don't like the way that that's staining my arm though, but do you see? It's bright, it's pretty, but it almost like, I don't know why, but on the back of my hand, it makes it look like my skin is bruised. Let me try it here. Yeah, maybe that's it. There it is. That looks a little bit better. Ooh, it dries down pretty quickly into like a soft powdery finish. That's nice. So 5 products in the bag, and I'm actually impressed. There's makeup in here. I'm excited. There's makeup. Let's move on to the next one. These 2 bags are the ones that Ipsy sent over. I really want to start with the bag because last month the bag was bomb. Like the little bag was way better than the big one, which is normally not the case, but let's give it a shot. So the first thing I have here is a little tiny box, and this is by the brand Nomad. All right, so there you have it. That is pretty. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. All right, next thing I have by here is, ooh, by Artist Couture. This is a silky lip oil. Ooh, yes, lip oils. Ooh, it's soft. I love the doe foot applicator. Next up I have is this tiny little pencil, and this is in, oh, it's by KVD. It is the Cake Pencil Intensely Rich Long-Weary Eyeliner in the shade Trooper Black. I love this size. It's like portable. Not that like other eyeliner pencils aren't portable, but this one's like really tiny. All right, so there you have it, just a black eyeliner. You guys, I am living for all of this makeup that's coming through right now. All right, next thing I have right here, yes, it is the Pores Be Gone Matte Primer from First Aid Beauty, you guys. It is a little sample size, but it is just enough for me to know if I'm gonna like it or not. I love First Aid Beauty. I love their brand. I love the products. And I'm excited because I was just finishing up a matte primer that I got in one of my other boxes, and I wasn't super excited about it. So I'm excited to try a different one to see if it keeps my oils away. You also have this little bag right here. This is by the brand Hip Dot, and this is the shade Red Moon. Oh, it's a blush. Ooh, oh my gosh, I was not expecting that. Look at that. That's intense. All right, and let's finish off with the last product in the bag, which is this bottle. This is the Briogeo Superfoods Hair Mask. Yes. Oh man, my hair's gonna love this. I just finished the Olaplex number 3 that we got as a sample size. It is a game changer when it comes to the hair products. I've already added it to my Sephora cart. My girlfriend had their hair oil, and I was like, oh, can I try it? And I was like, oh, this feels so good. And she was like, you just need a little bit. It'll last you forever. I truly believe it. Like, I totally plan on picking it up. I'm almost finished with my hair oil right now, but that's the next one I'm going to dive into. I love hair masks, especially right now with being like in the sun and being, you know, like being in the chlorine and stuff. My hair has just taken a toll, especially the ends of it. So I need it. I need all the masks I can get. Let's do the last bag here. So the first thing I see, which I bet you are brushes. Yep, it is by MOTD Cosmetics, and they are a set of 3 brushes. This one looks like it'd be a good duster right here. Yeah, really nice. Next up I have, oh, these are good. These are the Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. They just feel so good on the skin. They're good. Next up I have is by Il Makiage. This is the Il Makiage Lift, Curl, and Lengthen Mascara. So funny enough, my mom saw their like commercial through like Instagram or something, and she ended up buying like the foundation and stuff. I tried their foundation years ago. It's good. It's super full coverage. Like if you guys love full coverage foundations, that is definitely one to try out. She was raving about how much she really liked, I think, their concealer and their foundation. So she was, you know, telling me I needed to try these products. But this is their mascara. This is their Black Card mascara. So that's awesome to see. I will definitely give that a shot. Next up I have is by Refreshments. So Refreshments is a brand that I have tried out through Ipsy. This is their shave cream, which I have used before. It's okay. Personally, I think maybe I'm so used to like Skintimate that I'm more used to like a little bit more fluff. I don't know why, but for me, I felt like it was a little bit more difficult to shave my legs with, but I have tried their deodorant also, which is great. I really love it. I think there's like a lavender scent that I use that I really do enjoy. And then their body wash is It's good. It's a good one. So I will use it because it's shave cream and I have to shave my legs. But yes, you guys know what I'm trying to say, right? We want to finish off with this last product, which is the Dr. Eve Ruth. I'm totally butchering that. But this is the Vitamin C Night Moisturizer. Ooh. So all 3 bags are unboxed, you guys. You let me know what you guys got. I have to say the Ipsy Glam Bag, just the original one, was my favorite this month. Then it has to probably be my own bag that I bought. And then this one lastly. Not that I don't like the self-care bag, but I just love, I think I made this one the winner because of all the makeup I got in it. And I miss makeup in these boxes. Lately, I feel like there's so much skincare and just a couple, like a couple of pieces of makeup, and I miss makeup. I miss having makeup in my bag. That's all I'm trying to say. I've been, some of the makeup they've been putting in here, I've been like, yes, give me more. So kudos to Ipsy. I'm excited. I'm proud of you. So that is everything I got in this month's boxes, and I appreciate you guys waiting till the very end to watch this video. If you guys are new to my channel, I hope you guys will stick around and hit that subscribe button. We do have a tutorial coming up. I did film this look. This will be coming up after this video. It's got a bunch of makeup. It's kind of like what I've been wearing all month long, and a couple other videos that I have just filmed and are ready to shoot out for you guys. So make sure to have that subscribe button ready to go. Aside from that, I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of the evening or afternoon, and I will see you guys later.